Hey you guys, so I'm just getting things together to got my canning lids and everything to prep peaches to can peach jam and stuff tonight. And there was an explosion at Hoover Dam and I saw it pop up on my computer, and then one of my subscribers just told me on the video as well. So I will post down below a link where you can follow the story. It just happened like 30 minutes ago. So anyways, if y'all have ever been to Hoover Dam, we used to go there in the summers and stuff. It was quite an amazing place to see. We used to go down the Colorado River and did all kinds of stuff back in the day. 4th of July at the London Bridge, all that. So anyways, I will post that down below. It's a developing story, so I don't really know exactly what happened, but there is a video of an explosion like in the building area down there, down in the dam area. There's a building along the side and you can see a plume of smoke and fire and stuff. So I will post that down below. I just thought I would let you all know, because this is not very good considering the water situation in Nevada and California and other places. So anyways, I will see you all in the next video, and stay cool out there.